Welcome folks to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Neiman Marcus Chicken Casserole. We're going to start with 4 cups of chicken. I baked mine and I've chopped it up. You can bake it or you can use a rotisserie chicken, whichever one that you would like. And then we're going to go with 1 can of chicken, cream of chicken soup. And all the measurements will be in my recipe down in the description. We're going to go with 1 cup of sour cream. I've got my oven, 375, and this is 2 cups of cheddar cheese, shredded, and green onions that are chopped, slivered almonds. I had sliced almonds, so I just chopped them up a little bit. They didn't have the other. And 6 pieces of bacon that I've cooked to crispy, and I've crumbled it. It doesn't call for salt and pepper, but I want to put in my Aunt Sandy's blend. This is salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Just a little tad there. And a teaspoon and a half of hot sauce. Now it calls for Tabasco sauce, but if you want to kick it up a notch, you can use Bucky's Carolina Reaper. But we're going to stick with the recipe and use the Tabasco. I don't want to set my mouth on fire to start with, but a lot of people like that hot sauce. It's 1. Then we're going to put a half in there. And we're going to stir it up. Might take a minute or 2, but you got to get it all mixed up. I've sprayed my pan 9 by 13. It's all mixed together. And we're going to put it in our casserole dish. Evo! I'm going to spread it out. We're going to put our topping on it. I have crushed 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers till they're crumbly. And that's 32 crackers, if anybody's wanting to know. And we're going to add a half a cup of melted butter. I'm going to mix that together. This will give it a good crunch, especially with these crackers. Okay, I got it all mixed together. I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. And our oven is 375. It's going in for 40 to 45 minutes. We've got the casserole out of the oven. It was in there probably 40 minutes. I serve mine over rice. You can serve it over noodles, or you can just eat it plain. But this is what it looks like. It's so delicious and creamy. Let's get a taste. You can taste that cheese and the chicken and just a little bit of that Tabasco sauce. It's delicious. I hope you tried this recipe. It is wonderful, delicious, easy to make. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite chicken casserole is. I hope this is one of them. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.